wasting no time. Look at that, switching his hands, honking the horn. Right yeah, Shannon. Blowing right into Bernie's left hand, right. Keeping up with the head nod. Yeah, high-fiving. Yeah, Shannon. Grabbing gears, up in the high chair. Yeah, check him out. Up in the high chair, even on that little bike. Getting it done. Again, these guys are getting scored on speed, style, and aggression. Look at that rev limiter with the clutch in. Death spinning. We're not even sure what half of these little things are called, but he's doing it. Look at it, left to the right. Look at this guy, yeah. Shannon, foot in the trunk. Uh-oh, trying to go for the endo. Check them out, flowing from one shrink into the next. That's what we're talking about. 15 seconds for Shannon. Oh, we got 5 seconds, Shannon. 5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Shannon Schmidtman. That's going to be time. Showing he's got it. Hopping all over that mini bike. Head walking at the judges. Again, flowing from one trick into the next. Some wide circles. Stepping left, stepping right. Stepping through. Check them out. Lord Gibbs, Moose, and Michael Jackson. My goodness, check them out. Squeezing all the power out of that one lung. Look at that roll on the front tire. This may be a prop. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Sawyer Schmidtman. He's got 30 seconds, just under 30 seconds. Look who this is. Give it up, everybody. We're not sure if props are cool, but that was pretty cool to let it slide. 15 seconds. For the homie, 10 seconds. Yeah, this is going to be it for Sawyer. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's going to be time for Sawyer. Little creativity. 1. Check right off the rip. Right back through. Spending no time getting to those hard tricks. Taking it all the way to the barrier. Again, this is Kaitlyn Flores. Check her out. Back the other way, one hand pointed. Both sides stepping into some circle wheelies. Ladies, make some noise. She's getting it. Yeah. 1 minute to go for Kaitlyn. Starting off strong, no mistakes. Back up on the pegs. Good up to the end of the water. Yeah. Oh no. Slight bomb. She's got time. We got 40 seconds still on the clock, Kaitlyn. Quick reset. Back in the mix. 35 seconds, Kaitlyn. 35. That's what makes some noise for her, guys. Throwing it up on the front tire. Dumping the clutch, getting some right there. She's excellent at this. 20 seconds for Kaitlyn. Quick adjustment to the idle. 10 seconds, Kaitlyn. Back on the rear pegs. Atlanta, make some noise one more time. We got Kaitlyn Flores out there. 3, 2, 1. That's going to be time for Kaitlyn. Yeah. 2, 1. It's go time, Sawyer. Gage. Yeah, no. He's up there not on the ground. He's up there on his little 50. Check him out, Gage Sutton. He's been riding longer than most of the bend. doing closeness sports. This guy's out here a vicious contender. Even with the big guys earlier in the circle challenge. Look at that move. Little ninja out here right through the handlebars. Moving all over that motorcycle. Again, Gage competed earlier with the big guys. Check him out, look at this. Up on the handlebar, steering with his foot. Yeah, Gage. We want to see there, guys. Make some noise. He's fist bumping, feel it. Setting up right here in front of the judges. Little walk behind, jump, yeah. Grabbing gears, he wants more power out of that little bike. I said before, we got to get this guy a big bike. Elbow dropping. Here he goes on the back. First gear cut in some combo circles. He's dragging. Yeah. With the death spin. This guy's been watching the XL guys too much. Foot tapping yellow hair, still going foot through. And back the other way. Gage, 5 seconds remaining. This is going to be it. Atlanta, make some noise for Gage Sutton. Check out on the dismount. Wait for it, yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, game 2, 1, let's go! Straight to the bar right in front of the judges. Wasting no time, look, he's still going. Yeah! Climbing up on that bike. Our competitors wasting no time as they enter, getting right into their combos. Dominic coming back in, leaving Atlanta. He wants to hear ya. He said, check me out, looking flossy. Red sweatshirt and everything, the white balls. This guy's got the deal. Getting in some circle wheelies, flip dragging. Yeah, buddy. Death spinning. Whoa! Hanging onto it. Yeah. Right behind, jumping through, trying to get going with it. Looking good again with those white balls, scraping, checking. Wow! That wasn't a tap, that was a smash. Coming back the other way, right up the hill. Can't get enough of that 12 bar like it's 1999. Man, that's when he was born. All right, he's got 20 seconds for Dominic. Go feet through the handlebars. Combo platter. Yeah, buddy. Coming back 10 seconds, Dominic. 10 seconds. Bring the heat. Bring the heat. Cut into some circle wheelies for the crowd. And let him make some noise. That's going to be time for Dominic. Yeah. Still going. He's not done yet. That'll be time for, ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Dominic Ammons. 4, 3, 2, 1, Sliger time.
We're still rolling.
Right up there, the ball is out of the way.
We're still rolling after this.
Kyle compete on the big bikes. Let's see if he can get it going on the little bikes. Fist pumping. Look at that switch hand throttle, guys. In a circle. Got into some Kilroy's wasting in no time. Look at this, leaning that bike over, cutting combo, just like a big bike. He's pumping, feeling it. Grabbing a little more speed, carving on the front wheel. Yeah, he's fist pumping, heading on it. Here we go, right in front of the judges. Getting into some circle wheel combos. High chair, in and out. To the back pegs. That's all over the place, coming in the wall, whoa! Jumping in the special peg, getting out of it. Switch hand throttle, oh man. Combo platter for the judges. 20 seconds, Mr. Sliger, 20 seconds. A 360 attempt. Wow, didn't even know that was possible. 10 seconds for Sliger, 10 seconds. Bringing it down to the end of his run. Let's see if he's got it ending strong. High chair. Yeah, Kyle in 2, 1. That's gonna be time for Kyle. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's see it, Sierra. Right off the in front of the judges, that's a good place to start. Not scared to just hammer that thing. Coming up the hill, she's ready. Getting the balance on the rear wheel, sitting down. Getting up on the back pegs. Atlanta, check her out. Sierra Stunts getting it going right now. 1 minute silver remaining for Sierra. 1 minute silver. Looking clean with the white walls and the red bike. Yeah, but it's a circle wheelies. Yeah, look at that combo in. Oh, Toe Dragon. Yeah.
Where's all my females at? My females ain't screwing me. Where are you at?
Yeah, make some noise, ladies. This is one of the 3 ladies. Sierra, 30 seconds remains. Setting up right now in front of the judges. What's she gonna bring right back? Oh, Schmidtman, yeah! Right in that crowbar. Getting gnarly with it. 15 seconds, Sarah. 15 seconds. Back up our hill, comboing. Yeah, 10 seconds. Atlanta, make some noise for Sierra. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Check her out. All the way down the hill. Yeah! Atlanta, make some noise for each and every one. 3, 2, 1. It's go time. AJ, you have the floor. Starting from the hill, waving out the judges, yeah! Pulling the punch and giving us a coaster. Back down again, using a whole track. Wow, jumping from the back to the tank. Wasting no time. AJ coming in strong on that front tire. Yeah, buddy. He's setting up for something way over the handlebar endo. He's thinking something big. He's coming back up the hill. Grabbing it second. Here he is on the front tire. Atlanta, check him out. Woo! Yeah. He's still got 40 seconds. 40 seconds for AJ as he gets into some circle combos. He's coming for that top 3 position, mixing it up. Check him out, AJ. Wasting no time. Red shoes and all, this guy. 20 seconds for AJ. Screaming around this place. Yeah, buddy. Put it in the trunk. Pull the clutch in. 10 seconds for AJ. 5 seconds, AJ. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ladies and